Junkin, give me your attention. Junkin off from looking for some reason. No good enough for me. Okay, so long in my heart. Are you junkin? Give me your attention. Junkin off from you're no good enough for me. You get the drift, man. This is an incredible tune. I really like this song. So I just wanted to show you how that's played. Junkin' Off 2, of course. You know what I'm saying? So we got just few chords. And I just want to go through the chords. So if you never played the guitar, alright, this is how it goes, man. Things are pretty easy, alright? They are. However, it takes practice, right? Now this is a simple chord progression you can use for your own stuff. So what we say always, all the time on the channel, use what you learn. Otherwise, you know nothing. Alright, so I don't know why you're playing the guitar. If you're trying to make your own stuff or just a hobby, know that this thing is a bitch. You really need to take care for it. So if you don't play daily, once you pick up your guitar, then you married for life. You need to play it. So this one is played with a simple C major, and I provide all the chords down in the description box. While you are at it, just click that subscribe button right now. Thank you so much for doing so. It really helps the channel. For you, it's free, but for us creator, it's a really great thing to have one more subscriber. So just so you know what I'm saying, just click that subscribe button. So we got C major, all right, just a simple C major, going to a D. Then you want to play like this, all right, just the first string over here and the other one over here. So it's basically a D, but you lift off the middle finger. You understand me? So you go C. Good enough for me. Good enough for me. Are you looking? Give me your attention. Then these type of D, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? I should know my chords, but the thing is, once upon a time, right? Once upon a time, someone taught me this thing. Fuck the names of the chords, alright? You can name it whatever you want, alright? Nobody, you know, it's just a universal language so we understand each other, but it doesn't matter. So call it whatever. So this type of D, I don't know what's it called, you know what I'm saying? But it's a D. That's all I know. It sounds like it's supposed to sound. And then you go to it over here to a B flat. This is a B, alright? You just go one step below that. So you got B flat going to a F. Then it goes to the pre-chorus going so basically all it changes if you call on that was just playing a whole D minor. Now that D minor stands where it stands because what we call music theory, which I'll provide a few links in the description, and so you get a better understanding of what we're doing over here and why this thing is not magic in the real sense of magic, whatever magic means. But it's a D minor because it's the relative minor of the chord that comes after that, which is an F major. All right, so this is the pre-chorus, right? Going to a B flat, going to a F. These are the chords. If you want to know more about playing the guitar, the tools that you need, I provide a few resources pages in the description box. Make sure to write your comment in the comment section down below. Hopefully you have a struggle, and hopefully you know what the struggle is. Put it in the comment section down below so we can get the conversation over there. Maybe I can help you even further. Thank you so much. Do great stuff, right? Dream big, think even bigger, play your guitar, daily practice. Thank you. See ya.